Sir, good morning po, sir.
Mag-a-apply?
Yes, sir.
Akin na yung resume mo. Again, introduce yourself.
My name is Bert Eve Sabillano. I'm 23 years old. Nakatira sa Barangay Gubat, Campotao, Encanto City.
Anong a-applyan mo?
Ini position po, sir.
Okay, good. So, dati kang sales manager.
Opo, sir.
Meron kang 3 years experience.
Yes, sir.
So, naging HR ka.
Opo, sir.
So, graduate ka ng BS-BS.
Yes, sir.
No.
Ano itong BS-BS?
Bachelor of Science and Vulcanizing Shop.
Seryoso?
Yes, sir.
So, hindi ko na patatagalin to. You're hired.